Today's video we are going to derive the arch model and the Garch model. So let's start with the arch model. Auto-regressive conditional heteroscedasticity 1 1, where the p-value is equal to 1 and q-value is also equal to 1. Under this model, yt or the original time series is a function of its delayed time series or lag 1, that is yt minus 1. The variance equation in this case comes like this. Variance is sigma t square, that is a function of an intercept alpha 0. Then alpha 1 is the coefficient of y t minus 1 square. So y t minus 1 is the past squared observation to predict the volatility shock. So past squared observation to predict volatility shock. That is the method in this case. So let us name this particular equation as equation 1. So this equation is equation 1. Under this equation, the alpha 0 and the alpha 1, these two should be greater than 0. That's a condition. Also, this should be a stationary time series with zero mean. Stationary time series with zero mean. Now we have to understand the combination of yt. How to come to the yt? So yt comes as a combination of the volatility and the white noise. So yt is a combination of the volatility and the white noise. So we have calculated volatility square. So now we have to change that as volatility. So let's first write the white noise. Then we have to square root because we have got the square of volatility. So within the square root, alpha 0, alpha 1 multiplied by yt minus 1 square. So this is the definition of yt, where this white noise is basically IID, that is independent and identically distributed. This is also normal distribution, so we write n here. Also there are other properties, mu is equal to 0, and there is one more property, the sigma square equal to 1, that is the variance is 1. So these are the properties. Under this, in Garch 1 calculation, the difference comes like this, that other than the past squared observation, the past variance also come into the calculation. So the var calculation of sigma t square for a Garch process is alpha 0 plus alpha 1 y t minus 1 square plus beta 1, that's another coefficient of sigma t minus 1 square. So this sigma t minus 1, so this sigma t minus 1 square is the addition in Garch 1 model, and the alpha 0 is the intercept of the model. So that addition is very interesting. So what does it mean? It means that for Garch model, both past squared observation plus past variance are needed for Garch 1 model. We are making 1 model where the p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 and q is equal to 1. That is a generalization we are doing. However, you can also make with p different values and q different values. Now When this alpha 1 plus beta 1 in Garch model is greater than equal to 1, then we call volatility is persistent. Volatility is persistent. So volatility is going to stay. That means it is inside the volatility cluster. So now let's tell about the arch. What is the arch? Arch is about indication of the shock. So arch indicates the shock in time series. It indicates the shock in time series. And what is the Garch? In very simple term, Garch indicates the intensity and the longevity of the shock. Garch indicates the intensity and longevity of the shock. How long the shock is going to be there. So that Garch determines. So these videos are basically the representation of Arch 1-1 and Garch 1-1 model for econometric derivation. We can name this particular equation as the equation number 3. So equation number 1 defines Garch Arch 1-1, equation number 3 defines Garch 1-1, and equation number 2 defines the YT, that is the time series. Time series is nothing but the volatility multiplied with the white noise. Here white noise means almost tending towards homoscedastic situation, where the residual is kind of a constant. Residual does not vary over a period of time. That is white noise. So these are the white noise parameters which are linked with ET. Residuals are IID. Residuals are normally distributed. In residuals, the mu equal to 0 and the sigma square equal to 1. Hope the derivation is clear. Thank you.